Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix the lag on Roblox. Hello guys, so first thing you have to do is so simple. Just go to any server on Roblox and then go to the top corner and click on Roblox logo, and after you click on it, it will take you to this page. Right here you will find many options. All what you have to do is choose the second option, it's called settings, and then make sure to copy my settings. As you can see, the first option it's classic, the movement is default, and the volume you can choose anything you want, the full screen off, the graphics mode manual, and the graphics quality lower, and the performance state off, and the micro profiler off, and the camera inverted off also. And yeah, if you copy those settings you will have a better FPS and no lag. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.